Welcome to Naisha's channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create skin texture on my sculpts in Nomad Sculpt. In Procreate, we're going to open the noise tool, and you can locate that in the adjustments pane. Once we're in the noise tool, we're going to increase the percentage of the noise to 50%. We will increase this further in the video, and then we're going to increase the scale to 50% as well. Keep the octaves up to max, and then the turbulence, we're going to turn that up as well. To make this more darker or add more contrast, increase the noise percentage to about 150%, just so that you can see like the black and white texture. This is really based off of your preference. After all the adjustments, you're going to go to actions and save your image as either a JPEG or a PNG. Open Nomad Sculpt, and we're going to go to that little tiny white square that's in the corner of your screen, and this is where you will find the grain sources. Import that skin texture or that grain texture you just created. I lower the intensity of the clay brush to about 5%, and then I make the radius of the brush larger so that I can cover larger areas of the face or the neck or the shoulders. And then I will go ahead and make circular motions with this brush. I will not go back and forth or swipe up and down, left or right, because this will create sort of like a streaky, odd look going across the face, and you don't want that. You want it to be like a realistic skin pore texture. So there I would go in circular motion and cover the entire face, the ears, the neck, the shoulder. I don't do the back of the head because that's where the hair goes. You don't necessarily have to do that. But once that is all complete, you will have a completed skin texture on your models. To make this skin texture stand out a little bit more, I go into reflectance and I turn it up to about probably 4 or 5%, and this will give it that really oily, realistic texture to the skin. This is how I create the realistic skin texture in Nomad Sculpt. If you want to learn anything else from me or how I do certain things, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.